Hey guys, welcome to what is another video. I mean, it's been quite a while since I've uploaded a video. I mean, how long has it been? It's been about 11 months, nearly a year since I've uploaded a video, which, you know, isn't too good. You're probably aware, if you're probably stuck at home right now, that the UK is in lockdown. So basically, the coronavirus is basically taken over, and basically it's now unsafe for us to go outside. So I'm so bored that I'm probably going to start this YouTube thing back again. I miss it, and it's probably an excuse to get back into it. So as you can tell by the title, we're going to be installing this. It's a washer cap. Yeah, it's a washer cap. That's literally all it is. I've been seeing on the Golf R forum that everyone's been installing springs into their boot lid. So like when they press the unlock button, which button is it? This one here, the middle one, their boot basically pops up, and I'm just thinking maybe this could be the next little subtle mod that everyone does. It's only about £9. And that's another thing actually. If you followed me on Instagram, from when I was a kid, when I was like 17, I had an A3, had a 1.6 A3, and now I've got a Golf R, so I'll go and show you that now. And yeah, let's go install this. Cool, so basically it just replaces this cap here. I'm just going to prop you down and I'll set you up and I'll just continue with installing this. It's literally quite simple, it's literally just clip it off, it literally just slides on and it pulls straight off. It's literally it installed, like that's literally it. Like it replaces obviously the factory one that's like just shitty. So obviously this now means that when you open it, you just lift it up, it turns into like a funnel. So it just means you can't exactly spill it as easy. It's literally it. Nothing flash, nothing exciting, just something boring. Just thought I'd, show you it. So yeah, if you want to see more videos, then comment below, or follow me on my Instagram. That was a bit loud. It's literally my reg, so AL12TOR. I'll show you now. There you go. Type that into Instagram and you'll see me. So yeah, see you soon.